Oh.
Oh, stuff.
Just stay to the left. Do not get near the right.
It looks like we're fixing to get dry again, though.
Thank goodness.
You want to know the bad part? Once we get down, what do we have to do?
Go back up. To all of my loved ones back home, I just want to say, if I do not survive this and you see this video, I loved you all very much. And, that's all. I loved you guys and have a nice life. Michelle, do you have anything to say?
This was Stephanie's idea.
You know, that's not entirely true. I can take partial blame.
Oh God, there's a car coming at us. I gotta get close to the side.
Okay. There we go. It's a game warden, that's nice. He didn't stop and caution us, which is a good sign. The scary thing is, we really just don't know what we are going to see. This is very cool though.
It's very pretty, yes.
There's, I don't know if you probably can't see it, but there's running water along the side, this whole way over rocks, and like there's rapids. It's very, very pretty. I know with the car bouncing along the road and my unsteady camera skills, you're not going to be able to see that much, but so we'll get back to the road. You know, we like to get off the beaten path, and I think we successfully did that this time.
We almost made it. We almost survived. Okay, don't hit your brakes, don't hit your brakes, don't hit your brakes. Okay, I made it through the mud.
Come to a bridge.
Oh look, there's bathrooms. Is that the
That's
guy
the bridge. Oh, yep, it is.
Well, where are we supposed to park at?
Well, is this it? This isn't it. We still got to keep going.
This is the John Donne Bridge. What happens now?